Have you ever wondered how insurance companies recover money after they pay for a claim that wasn't your fault? That is subrogation. Subrogation is the legal right of an insurance provider to pursue a third party that caused an insurance loss to the insured. The goal is for your insurer to step into your shoes and recover the costs they paid out from the person who is actually responsible. Your insurance company handles the legal legwork, so you don't have to chase down the person who caused the damage yourself. Don't confuse this with your deductible. While subrogation happens behind the scenes, your deductible is the portion you pay directly to the repair shop. Success isn't guaranteed. Recovering funds depends on the at-fault party's ability to pay and the strength of the evidence available in the case. If your insurer successfully recovers money, they might even reimburse your deductible to you later on. Understanding these processes helps you navigate insurance claims with confidence. Thanks for watching, and remember to check your policy details for specifics.